JAXA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, reported their $1 billion satellite Hitomi could be lost. Hitomi's mission is to observe X-rays from deep space and give a clearer picture of cosmic rays and the nature of black holes. The satellite went missing soon after deployment on the 26th of March, although intermittent communication and direct observation suggests it is tumbling uncontrollably in orbit. NASA reports the satellite could have collided with debris as 5 pieces of debris were observed near the perilled craft. Scientists at the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency are concerned that Hitomi will not have enough power to perform correctional maneuvers. Waiting for solar panels to provide enough power could take months. On the 29th March, Masaki Fujimoto from JAXA reported they had intermittent communication with Hitomi, and the spacecraft could be still intact. Before losing contact, it transmitted the highest known resolution X-ray imagery of deep space.